Hello, class, and welcome to our exciting lecture series on managerial accounting. I welcome you all for this exciting subject and welcome to the new semester as well. I wish you best of luck and please stay safe and take care of your family as well. Okay, so we have a power shortage. Don't worry, I still have enough power. Okay, so I'm your instructor Jamal Haider. You already know me from your previous subjects, previous courses, previous classes. Okay, so regarding this course policy, I'm going to skip this class introduction because I already know you guys. We already talked about before this recording, we talked about much. And let's talk about the exam policy. So, number one, so we have designed this course like 10% attendance, but 10% attendance doesn't come easy. It may include quizzes, it may include questions, answers. Like during the class, I'm going to be asking questions and I need to see that whether you are engaged during all these classes or not. And of course, the behavior in the class, okay? So just merely, the attending the class, you turn on Jumo account and then you mute your speaker, your microphone, and you turn off your camera and you just sleep. That's not going to happen this semester, okay? So this 10% include the quizzes, potential quizzes that I'm thinking about to include, the question answers, live question answers, and then behavior in the class. 30% is assignment, 30% is midterm, and of course 30% is final, total 100%. So you already know that what is the next thing I'm going to explain, because in the all previous semester I talked about a lot that passing this course is not a problem for you guys. How? Because this attendance and assignment is in your hand, total 40%. And all you need 60% to pass. And I hope you can get this 60% easily. Why? Because all you need is to perform in midterm and final term and minimum to get this 20% out of the 60%. So I think passing this is not a big deal, but remember that one. The goal, my goal for this course policy is, friendly, in a friendly term, to make you understand the concept and its real application. So if you see my previous classes, so in midterm and final term, I don't ask lengthy explanations, define this and define that one. I just ask about the application of the subject, of the concept, that's it. So for this course as well, we will be talking about the applications. We will not, be focusing 100% on the formula and all this stuff. Of course, I would be, including the true false multiple choice question to test your application and the application in real life, so that when you go after this, graduation, you join the company or you start your own business. So you really understand that, okay, I have learned this concept from Mr. Jamal in CIP, so I think that is relevant to my business regarding this managerial accounting, so I can easily grasp that concept in and apply this in real life, right? And real job situation as well. Okay. So regarding this behavior in the class, I would definitely consider the misconduct as class disruption. One of the biggest disruption in the class is using mobile phone. So for example, you are using mobile phone, you have turned your camera on, and like you are using this one, and the most important stuff is like that, you are using this tick 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 voices. So okay, emergency can happen, the important messages are coming. So what you can do, you can mute your microphone, turn off your camera, and then you can attend the call or whatsoever. Please do not disturb the class. The class is going to be recorded and going to be uploaded, and it's really very unprofessional behavior from side of the students. And I think this time I'm not going to be, let it go. I'm going to be charging it as a misconduct, and of course that leads to your less marks in behavior in the class. Okay. The third one is disrespect either teacher or fellow student. A question is a question. Okay. If somebody even asks a stupid question, but I will consider it as a question because you cannot learn without asking question. So you have, I think, you know me that I encourage students to ask any kind of question, but that doesn't mean you start asking questions regarding politics, sectarianism, religion. No, okay, the subject related questions. Okay, so whether that is a stupid question related to subject, whether this is a very highly advanced question, please do ask, and that is my responsibility to answer. And during this period, if somebody comment negatively, so I will consider it as a misconduct, and of course that will lead to less marks to your behavior in class. Okay. And the last one is use of foul language. You are in that age due to the media, the movies, even now the animated movies, they use very foul words like what the beep, right? So you don't use that one because that is highly, disrespectful when it comes to learning something or when you want to learn or when you want to gain knowledge, right? So be very, prepared and make your mind with learning perspective rather than judging perspective, right? If you judge all the other person or if you start judging the classes, then I think you won't get anything valuable. You may pass, but you won't get some valuable stuff from the subject. And at the time of application, when you are in real life, that costs you a lot. Okay, that is just for my a piece of advice. And regarding the piece of advice that I consider the behavior in the class, and of course these four misconducts. Okay, regarding the course content, I have already uploaded on BB, but how I'm going to be taking this course, I have already created the WeChat group. You already added to my WeChat group as well, plus in the Blackboard as well. So I'm going to be maintaining those two platforms parallelly. So I will be uploading the material on WeChat plus the BB at the same time. Okay, so that you know excuse that, sir, my BB is not working, there is a problem with my BB. So that is over. If your WeChat is not working, so you can download the material, the assignment, the PPT, the book chapters, or the practice question from the BB. If your WeChat is not working or the files are expired. Okay, so one thing is that if I upload the stuff, please do download in your mobile phone at least, or make a folder in your computer and just drag it and save it over there, or you can access Blackboard. And please do not message me, sir, I re-upload the stuff. That looks very disrespectful, because when I uploaded it, you didn't bother to even download. So that creates a little bit annoying situation. So the course content I already uploaded over there. I will upload again after this class with book chapter, PPT, and this course content right after this class. Okay. So the course content, here we go. Can you see a PDF file here? I think I need to share my screen again. Here we go. Yes. So can you see our PDF? Chandra, Arone? Okay. So all the material are like written here. The outcomes, the preferred book, and remember this one. I'm just going to be like, so this is my preferred contact. You can also contact me through emails and my WeChat as well. I have no problem if you can just send me a personal message or or in a group. So if this is like study related, so I would encourage, please do message in our WeChat group so that others can also benefit from that question. So if this is some kind of like asking some normal stuff, so you can also send me an email, or you can also send me a private message. I won't mind, and I'm available 24/7. You can send me message whatever you want. But of course, as soon as I receive the text, I see the text, text, I will definitely reply you. For me, no problem for that. So we would be having our first midterm approximately 6th, 7th week of this, this semester. And of course, final going to be on the 16th of the lecture. So total we have 16 classes. So I will be uploading the assignments to the classes whenever we, complete our chapter. I will be uploading the assignment as well. And of course, I will be uploading the assignment both on both platform, the WeChat platform and the Blackboard platform as well. So back to our PPT. Here we go. So guys, are you understand the policies and the stuff, right? If you want to add something, so this is the right time so we can discuss and we can add to our course policy how we are, taking this course forward. Chandra.
Yeah.
Anything you want to add or you understand?
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Okay. Aroni.
I understand.
Okay. Christine.
Yep, I understand.
Okay. Min.
I also understand, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay. So our preferred course book gonna be Managerial Accounting by Garrison, Noreen, Peter, and Brewer, 13 edition. So all you need to do, because okay, you don't need to buy the book. I have its parts. So the chapter we are going to the study here, I would be uploading it. So you don't need to worry about the textbook and all the stuff. So you need and if you want to buy, please do buy. It's available on Amazon, eBay, and also on Alipay. Sorry, Taobao as well. Okay, so here we go. So we are entering into the definition or our first introduction, lecture on managerial accounting. So I have included in this PPT a lot of, I think, 2 or 3 videos as well. So all you need to do, just listen it, and I think that will add, further knowledge how these concepts is going to be added in real life and why there is a need of managerial accounting information. Okay, let's talk about this. Here we go. So I'm going to be playing that one. Let me see whether I have full volume. Yeah, full volume. Okay, let's talk about this.
Of large organizations, which began in the 19th century. Many of these organizations, such as textile mills, grew by combining multiple production processes under one roof. Managerial accounting allowed managers to compare the cost of a process inside the firm versus purchasing the process from another firm.